The Sealey Guide on the Safe Use of Axle Stands. Firstly, position the vehicle on a solid, level surface, such as concrete, but not tarmac. Never raise a vehicle on a sloping surface. Apply the vehicle's handbrake and engage first gear, or park on automatic gearboxes. Next, chock the front and rear of the wheels at the opposite side or end to the one being lifted. Refer to the manufacturer's handbook or data plate to determine the weight of the vehicle and its jacking points. Then use a suitable jack to raise the vehicle. Now, place an axle stand under the vehicle, raise the saddle to the correct height and secure the saddle in position. Always position the axle stand in a strong area such as a thick steel component. Lifting on weaker or corroded bodywork can cause serious damage to the vehicle. If in doubt, ask a professional. If the other side of the vehicle needs to be raised, repeat the procedure, but take extra care to ensure the vehicle isn't dislodged from the first axle stand. Never raise one side of the vehicle more than the other, as this will destabilise it. Always ensure the vehicle is level once it's supported on axle stands. Once the vehicle is supported, remove the jack and place additional supports under the vehicle to guard against a deadfall occurring. This could happen when a vehicle is subject to sideways movement, causing it to become dislodged and topple off of the axle stands. Supports such as engineering bricks or large blocks of wood can be used. And when you've finished, use a jack to raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and deadfall equipment. Then lower the vehicle slowly. Repeat the procedure for the other side if both have been lifted. You can then remove the wheel chocks and the job is complete. Remember, failure to follow these guidelines may result in serious injury or death.